Hello again, this is the finally long-awaited part 2 of the Silvia Pro video that I started about a year or so ago. In the meantime, the machine changed to the Pro X, which the difference is that now there is a pressure gauge on the front of the panel, lower panel, compared to the Pro. There are settings in the menu that, in my suggestion, should be left to whatever Rancilio factory setting decided the engineering department, but there are some settings that they are friendly and to be used by the consumer, the user. To access the menu, you push and hold the plus and minus on the display, and you have the different options to access different menus, just going up or down based on, of course, the plus or minus. For example, one of the simple settings to be changed will be F6. To activate that, you push the blue button and that will allow you to change. Sorry, that was not done fast enough, and that's another consideration. If you let it go too long while you're talking, you explain, you are actually getting off the menu. So let's go back to that setting, F6. And that particular setting, you're activating it, allows you to change between centigrade and Fahrenheit. So let's say we're gonna leave it in Fahrenheit. We are pressing the blue button to confirm our choice. Simply, if you wanna go back and change it again, you repeat the same process. You find your F6, you confirm that you want to enter the menu, you want to change it back to centigrade, you confirm it, and we are back to centigrade. Another simple setting that it's I guess an interesting good feature to have is menu F5. This will allow you to put the machine in sleep mode. You have no sleep mode at all, you have 15, you have 30, you have 60, and you have 120. You can confirm, if I did it quick enough again, the menu is very quick, wants you to do it and not to talk about it. So we are back to F5, which is the sleep time that after you've done your last shot, you want the machine to go in sleep mode. If you choose to do so, you can have it that stays on all the time and you are using it manually, or you can say after 120, 60, 30 or 15 minutes, I want the machine to go in sleep mode. So let's say 120, pushing it again. That's another setting that can be useful. Another interesting feature is actually our F2, which you can say is not really a timer per se in a way that you would expect, but you can program it every night to say in 12 hours from now or 11 hours or such, I want the machine to turn itself on. It is a feature that needs to be programmed every single night or every single time that you are wanting the machine to turn on after a certain amount of hours. Since the machine doesn't have a clock, obviously, that's the reason why you cannot program it just a normal timer. So these are three of the possible settings that you should or you could manipulate if you wanted to. There are others, and follow your manual for any other one, changing temperature, etc., cleaning cycle, and your manual will guide you through the rest of the menu setting, but again, you will accessing them in the same way that you access any other one, just like so. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.